If your knees crack every time you stand up, this is for you. By age 40, most people can't even lace their shoes or bend over without feeling discomfort. But here's the truth the medical world skips. It's not age, it's chairs. The good news: one simple move can start reversing the damage. And today, I'll show you how, backed by science. Let's kick things off. Deep squats strengthen your joints. Forget stretching. Mobility is really about how well your joints handle real-life forces like load and torque. Every rep of a deep squat pushes fluid into your knees, hips, and ankles, keeping them lubricated and resilient. Skip them, and your joints dry out like cracked rubber bands. Think squats are just gym bro nonsense. A 2020 study found that Tanzanian hunter-gatherers who squat daily show stronger joints and almost no arthritis. Meanwhile, we sit all day and wonder why our knees snap, crackle, and pop when we stand. Lose the deep range, and your body forgets how to move without pain or stiffness. Here's a bonus. Deep squats build serious strength. Most gym-goers chase heavy weights, but fold like lawn chairs in a proper squat. Why? Because deep squats don't just build muscle. They train control. Glutes, hamstrings, quads, and calves all fire together, creating joint-integrated tension. That's real-world power for getting off the floor or staying on your feet. Our bodies evolved for this posture, but now we slouch in chairs and wonder why everything hurts. Bring back the squat, and you bring back your vitality. A 2024 review of 15 studies found that deep squats improve joint strength and stability with zero negative effects. The deeper you go with control, the more useful strength you build. Another study tracked 450 adults. No connection between daily deep squatting and knee pain. In fact, over 67% of people with healthy knees were regular squatters. So no, don't grab a barbell tomorrow. But do know this: when done right, deep squats aren't dangerous. They're a long-term win. Now for the coolest part. Deep squats train your brain. They force your body to balance, adjust, and stabilize in real time. Your inner balance system sharpens. Your nervous system learns to adapt under pressure. Do you use deep squats in your routine? Write a comment, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week with something even better.